Hello friends, welcome all. Today I have come with a video which is quite different from the previous video in which I discuss about mental health issues, mental health problems, their management and how to deal with them effectively. This is a video which is basically focused on the current scenario about the children and the parents who are facing in the context of their education. As we are going under pandemic which is being known as new normal way of education and learning, that is the online way or process of classes, learning, giving exams, training, etc. There are few questions about it, that does it work and how it is beneficial, because it is almost going to be more than 1.5 years we are under this process. So it's a quite a long time to analyze it out, that whether it is a good process way of learning or it has certain disadvantages. In the context of advantages, if we look into that, it's the best way to be educated, to get the education to everyone, because the availability of the resources very fast, the education is being transferred to different geographical units, different geographical area where the children cannot come to the schools. They can receive educations and the classes with the help of online mode. Whereas the children who are not able to attend the classes because of their physical problems, certain physical issues or the personal problems which has been occurred at home, they are able to spare their time on online classes easily, sitting at home, dealing and taking care of their parents or getting help from them, their friends, their relatives. They are able to take care of their classes very well. So these certain benefits which the children are getting, and the attendance of children in online classes is almost 100% as compared to offline classes, because in offline we have different modes of reaching to the schools and different other problems are being associated, which I will discuss. Another good thing what we have learned from online classes is that's some of the other way has increased the efficiency of teachers, because there were many teachers, they might have faced problem initially that they were not very well comfortable on computers, on PDF documents and many other meeting schedulings and all those. But nowadays I think all of the teachers are very comfortable in taking the classes, and they have learned many more things, new creative ideas apart from the books, the formal what we were using from the last many years, the book and the chalk and the dusters what we are using for the class. This mode of description is being changed, which has helped the children as well as teachers to development, because children get benefit with the new creative ideas with the teachers have explored on internet, and the teachers efficiency level is also being increased. These things helps the children to learn more and more in a more advanced way and more easily and quickly. They know how to make the things easily documented with the help of technology. So these things are very much helpful in this pandemic, where the education system has come to down because of the infection which might occur when children at our school. So this education systems has helped the children to be online and to be on the track, and they are not delayed by their syllabus and they are able to manage their work effectively. Now the second thing is that what are the disadvantages which has been occurred through online classes, because it is being known that the school is the second learning process, because as we say that the first learning situation is at home where the children get training and learning from their parents, But in the school, when they reach to school, they learn social learning, how to behave in the society, how to deal effectively with the person in the society, the discipline, the social norms, and of course the immediate learning which the children are able to learn by copying the other children over there. So this thing has been restricted. So these things can some of the other way has disturbed their development on the personal level as well as the social level, because they have limited the exposure of children through online classes. Another thing is that they are creative. They are getting creative with the help of the technology, but their own creation which they developed from the atmospheric change from the home to the school, this is being limited. And since it is a technology, so there must be private problems with the internet facilities, the availability of resources, many more things which many of the children are not able to avail at that particular time. Also, many of them are not having the proper resources available through which they get education, and the social and the personal level development which they get learn from school is some of the other way is being hampered. Advantages are many more, but the disadvantages are also there, because continuously if you're watching on the screen, this might affect their eyes and sensory system. They become stuck to one place, their movement, their body structures and many physical problems can arise, and might have complained about these things which their children are facing might arise. Because of that, this online e-learning classes, the children are facing problems and they become totally pathetic situations from them, because it becomes boredom. Continuously if you're watching on the screen, it becomes boredom for them. So these are the few disadvantages which might disturb their personal and social global level development. But from my side, if you ask this question, we shouldn't be late in the education. The thing should go on. For that, it is being very, very necessary that we should learn and there should not be delayed in education. This is a pandemic situation. What are the best options we can avail, that we need to do that. So there are disadvantages which might affect the development of child in the context of social and personal level. Personality development might disturb, but currently the demand of the situation is that the education should go on. So the education should not be delayed in this context. We need to move further and work on this process through this learning and get the maximum benefit through this technology. Thank you.